Welcome back guys to another video from Classic Games United, and in today's video I'm going to do a tutorial on to play Vietcong 1 on 2 online, right? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, we're going to jump into the video, right? And this tutorial is for those that are nostalgic. If you love old games, if you're nostalgia, then this video will help you if you want to play this game online again, right? So we're going to jump into Vietcong 1, and I'm going to show you that the online servers will not show up, and then I'll show you to enable the online servers again, right, after GameSpy has been shut down. So let's jump into the game. So as you see, the online servers are not working, right? So what we'll do, you have to copy this to the host file on your PC. Remember, I cannot show you how to get a copy of the game. I cannot show you the link. If you need a copy of the game, join the Discord server, right? So you go to your notepad, run it as administrator, right? Then open here, and you will go to C, go to Windows, System 32, right? Then go to drivers, etc, and then through all files, open the host file, and you're gonna copy this here, and you're gonna save it. All right, and when you open the game now, all right guys, as you see, it works. So now you could go into the game and you could play online. I don't know if it will work for the expansions, but if you want Vietcong 1 and all the expansions, then join the Discord server and I'll help you with a copy of the game, so you'll be able to download it with the original game and all the expansions, right? Okay, so the servers will work on the expansions as well, as you can see. So now let's jump on to Vietcong 2, and I'll be right back guys. So we are back, right? So basically for Vietcong 2, if you have Vietcong 2 downloaded, all you have to do is download this file. Alright, so you download this file, and once you have the game, you will just open up the game, right? And then you will just drag all these files here. Now I already have it installed, so I don't need to install it again. Alright, so once you drag the files here, you copy and replace, and then you start the game. Once you start the game, you'll create your profile. You click play. So once you click play, you'll be able to join our server online, and you'll be able to play. So it's that simple, guys. If you want to play online again, this game has some very beautiful maps. So if you want to replay this game again, alright guys, so that is the simple way how you will play Vietcong 1 and 2 again online. If you need help with a copy of the game, remember to join the Discord server, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. This was a quick short tutorial, straight to the point, no set of talking. Just wanted to, help you all, anyone that want to play these old games again and just feeling in nostalgia. You could actually play this game again online without using admin or such. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a short video. I will see you next week to come. Classic Games United out, and see you in the next one to come. Bye.